Somewhere along the line in Japan, someone had the great idea to burn wood on the surface to help it protect from rot, mildew, and being eaten by bugs over time. Turns out it was a great idea. Shou Sugi Ban became a common finish for outdoor siding and exterior settings. This complete technique takes more than just charring the wood, but we'll get to that later. Cedar is the wood most traditionally used for this process. For this project, we'll show you how to use a garden torch from your local home center. If you were to do something bigger, like siding on your house or a fence, you'd want to find a more substantial torch like this one here that you plug into a 20-pound propane tank. But that's enough talk. Let's go outside and fire these up. It is important that you take proper safety precautions to make sure that the only thing that catches on fire is the wood you're working on. This includes working on a surface that won't catch fire and holding the wood off the ground with a rock or bricks. It's also handy to have a bucket of water. I recommend you try the first attempts on scrap lumber. It's not hard to get the hang of, but there is a small learning curve. You'll want to get a good charred surface, but not go so deep as to destroy the wood fibers so they break off easily. Work at a slow pace and watch for areas that will take more heat, like knots for instance. It's really pretty easy and it's fun too. Once you've got the surface carbonized, you'll still have some work to do. First, you'll wash the surface with water and a wire brush to remove loose bits of burnt wood. After it dries, apply a thick coat of linseed oil and heat it once again with the torch to help it cure. And that's about it, a Shou Sugi Ban finish on a cedar side table. I'm Jacob Garrison for Woodworkers Journal. Have fun playing with fire.